Some air conditioning problems go beyond simple troubleshooting and require immediate professional attention. Recognizing these warning signs can prevent costly damage and ensure your safety. Refrigerant leaks are serious issues that require professional repair. If you hear hissing sounds coming from your unit or notice frost buildup on copper refrigerant lines, stop using the unit immediately and call an HVAC technician. Compressor mechanical failure is another serious issue. Loud knocking sounds or extremely loud humming that persists indicates internal damage. The compressor is the heart of your AC system and requires professional diagnosis and repair. Electrical problems pose serious safety risks and require immediate professional attention. If you smell burning odors, see sparks, or notice any electrical malfunction, turn off the unit immediately and contact a qualified technician. Persistent error codes that don't clear after basic troubleshooting indicate internal system problems. Similarly, water damage from your AC unit can cause structural issues and requires immediate professional assessment. Acting quickly when you notice these warning signs can prevent more expensive repairs later. Check your warranty coverage, as many retailers offer extended warranties that may cover professional repairs. Remember, attempting DIY fixes on complex issues can void your warranty and create additional safety hazards.